Hey y'all, okay, I'm doing this box braid tutorial. So this is all the stuff I needed for my box braids. And I just got 4 packs of hair. And what I do is just cut the packs in half because I didn't want my braids to be long. But I got it in the color 144, as it says right there. This is gold color. And what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the hair and dividing it in 2 sections. So it's going to be like a small piece and a big piece. And you're going to overlap the 2 pieces. And the smaller piece of hair, you're going to put it together so it'll make 3 parts. And that'll be how you braid your hair. So here, I'm just parting my hair, and I will put my moisturizer on my hair. And you want to make sure your hair is clean when you do this, because you will have these braids in for a few weeks. So now you will just take your hair that is divided into 3 sections, and you will just take your real hair and attach it to, you will take the fake hair and attach it to your real hair, and then you will just make sure you have a good grip at the roots, and then you will just braid all the way down as normal.
Baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say baby, I love you if you ain't running game.
So y'all will just braid all the way down to the end, and this is what my braid looks like so far. So I just got another piece of hair, and I'm just showing y'all again what I'm doing. And I'm sorry if y'all can't really see how I'm braiding it. It was really hard to get a good angle on my hair and braid at the same time. But you get the idea.
Try to change it now. See you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why
There are different ways to do the ends of your hair. Some people do rubber bands at the ends, some people burn the ends, or you can just leave the ends as they are as you braid down, which is called feather tips, which is what I do. And you will see what the ends of my braids look like. So I'm just doing another piece, but you couldn't really see what I was doing, and I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that till after. But it's just the same thing. You just attach the hair and braid all the way down.
Baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. Kinda shady, calling me baby. No one is around. Say my name. Round you, no one is around. Say my name. Round you, no one is around you.
So you're just going to take this cup and fill it with water, with hot water, and you will use this to dip the ends of your hair in so that you can seal the ends so that they won't come unraveled.
Right. I got your hand.
This is what my braids look like after I finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys again. Bye.